Doo-doo-doo. And doesn't have to be a big frame, but play safe. And I twist. So by now you know how to make this frame really well. And so I have one bead on my basic frame here, and I'm going to do only 3 rows. And of course you do count the center as a row as well. Leave it straight. Make sure you have enough beads here. So mine ended up with 3 beads on the first row. Straighten and then do the 3rd row.
Lorraine said that you're saying pistol correctly.
I am? Okay, good. Because I was starting to think it's a type of gun instead of... Okay. So I have 3 rows. This is the top of my pistil. And I'm cutting the basic frame. I'm not cutting the working wire. Normally, when we end the rows we are making, we cut the working wire. Not in this case. I'm just cutting the basic frame because I don't need it right now.